Hello, I'm Pratik Tangirala and I will be presenting to you today about Dr. C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was born Chandrasekhara Venkatraman Iyer on the 7th of November 1888 in Trichy in Madras Presidency in British India. His father was a teacher at a provincial school earning just over 21 paisa a day. His genius was displayed from an early age. At age 11, after his family moved to Vizag in Andhra State, he earned first rank in the state intermediate exams and received a scholarship to study in the University of Madras at just age 13. At university, both during his BA and MA, he was a gold medalist in both physics and English studies. Seeing his scientific prowess, his Welsh professors suggested him to continue research in England, but Raman refused, saying that he'd pass away of tuberculosis if he left his family for the UK. While staying back in India, like his elder brother, Raman wrote the civil service exams. He received first place scoring and joined as an officer in the Indian Financial Service. While serving in the financial sector, he conducted research at the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science during his free time. Later on, he moved to Burma and then Bombay for job purposes, rising to the rank of Accountant General, but his research was so impactful that the University of Calcutta assigned students to be taught by Sir Raman. These were PhD students being taught by an accountant with an MA in physics. Due to his passion for teaching and the sciences, he left accountancy to become a full-time professor at the University of Calcutta. He earned the Doctor of Science degree during his time there. Raman's initial works were in the fields of musical theory and optics. A big scientific breakthrough was when he confirmed the evidence that the seas were blue not due to the inherent color of H2O molecules, but that water is able to absorb more light rays from the skies. And since the sky is blue, the water is also blue. Water is a bit darker than the skies during daytime, since it also absorbs infrared, a dark color outside the human visible spectrum. The Raman effect. Perhaps Raman's most important discovery was the Raman effect. In simple terms, this effect describes the change in light's wavelength when it is deflected by molecules with a degree of vibration. Even when photons travel through an obstacle-free transparent compound, a small fraction of light will scatter and disperse from the original light beam. This discovery, along with his previous ones, led to Dr. Raman receiving an honorary doctorate, achieving British knighthood, receiving the 1930 Nobel Physics Prize, and being the first recipient of the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. Sir Raman contributed to physics research and lectured at a plethora of institutions for many more decades until his death in 1970. His son V. Radhakrishnan Iyer and nephew S. Chandrasekhar both continued his scientific legacy. Sir Raman's honors: a BA and MA from the University of Madras in 1907, the Curzon Research Award in 1912, the Woodburn Research Medal in 1913, an honorary doctorate of science from the University of Calcutta in 1921, the Matteucci Medal from the Italian National Academy of Sciences in 1928, the Nobel Science Prize, Hughes Medal, a fellowship in the Royal Society, and British knighthood in 1930, the Franklin Medal from the Philadelphia Franklin Institute in 1941, the Bharat Ratna of the Indian Republic in 1954, the Soviet Lenin Peace Prize from 1957, and the lunar crater Raman on the moon most recently. Thank you.